In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload all of your iPhone photos to the Google Drive. So the first thing we're going to do is just close out of the Google Drive application, and you need to open up the Photos application on your phone. Now, once you've opened up the Photos app, click on the Select button in the top right hand side, and then using your finger, we just need to start dragging and selecting all of these photos. Now, as you start scrolling up in the Photo Gallery app, you need to use your other hand and your other finger to click in the top left hand side of the screen, and that's going to automatically take you to the beginning of the iPhone gallery. So as you can see now, all of my iPhone photos are now selected, and in order to upload these to the Google Drive, we simply need to click on the share icon in the bottom left hand side, and then just wait a few moments while that goes and loads up. Now, depending on how many photos you have, this might take a little time, and then from these list of options, go and select Drive, and now it's going to prepare to send all of these photos to your Google Drive. So once your photos are ready to upload, click on the folder at the bottom here and select where you want to save these in your drive. You can create a new folder in the top right hand side. I'm just going to label this All Photos, and then go and press Create. And now what we can do is click on Save here in the bottom right hand side and go and just upload all of our photos to this folder by clicking on the Upload button in the top right hand side. And then you'll just need to wait while it goes and uploads all of the photos to your drive. Now, obviously, you need to make sure you have enough space in your Google Drive before uploading these photos. And it already depends on how many photos you're trying to upload. So it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you upload all of your photos to the Google Drive. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.